Carry it, carry it. You ever felt what it's like to feel the weight so heavy? I felt it. Arms raised, lifting up towards the sky, because maybe passing it off to God would make it a little lighter. Like the weight of a feather to be lifted, carried, lifted off the ground, sent stable, sturdy, on the ground, fortress, joint fortress. What does it mean to be lifted? To have eons of strength in your bones running through your veins, running deep into, I could tell you now, I could tell you more, hopefully not forever, ever, maybe. I can shoot lightning from
that the average Costco shopper was a 39-year-old Asian American woman who is married, has a 4-year degree of education or higher, and makes over $125,000 a year. Let's just break that down. But we're also, Asian Americans as a group, we're like the minority with like the biggest disparity between our highest earners and the lowest earners. I think similar to Asian egg donation, I found that in grad school, sex work was something that piggybacked off of this performance of femininity I was already doing for free. American institutions made their capital off of Chinese laborers, and now Chinese students are trying to make their capital off of these American institutions.